In this tutorial we will learn some more attributes of the font tag. Now here, as we have learned this social networking, we have made the red by using a font tag. Then for the entire document we have used another font tag to give the color. Now suppose you want to change, means it's given in the question that the default font face is Arial. Then what you can do, you can write here font face is Arial. Always remember that this font tag should come after the body tag and should be closed before the body tag, ending body tag, because here since it is given that the default text face is Arial, so everything should come inside this font tag. Now save it and refresh it here. Now as you can see here, this text is changed. Now let's do some more editing, like I am adding a paragraph here for the social networking, and I am removing this BR. So I am removing in this BR, and instead of BR I am putting here paragraph. Okay, so now this social networking is one paragraph, and this creation, this one is another paragraph. So now, so as you can see, some little bit change is there since the paragraph is used, so it is giving a more spacing. Now this P I am adding once again, then I am adding here closing P. Now since there are two paragraphs and the second paragraph here, this text is within this paragraph, so let me give an alignment. Okay, so I will use the align. Align can be left, right, center or 65. So I am giving here center. Okay, then saving it. Now as you can see, the text is aligned to the center, means it is doing the same work like this center tag, but I am using the align inside the paragraph tag as an attribute. So in this way we can align the text. Now suppose you want to give the body color, here the body color. Now body color, I have teach you that the color I have written here blue, black, something like that. So now you can again give the BG color in some other manner, like by using a H symbol. After H you can write anything you want which gives a color, like I am writing here 001 and saving it. I also don't know what's their color, so as you can see the color changes to this color. Now instead behind this H you can write anything like Ram, because every text have some color code. So as you can see, this one appears to be black. Suppose I am writing here cat. Okay, so that also have some color. So in this way we can change the color of the background by giving color as this, or by using a hash symbol. Okay, by using a hash symbol and giving any code. Okay, so you can try this, and we will learn some more things in the next tutorials. Thank you.